Welcome to the first episode of Little Gems. Here I'm going to give you small doses of gems that I have collected over the years. Alright, so why are you not happy? Or rather, let me put it like this: we all wish for ultra happiness. We would love to be deeply in love, find the perfect partner, be extremely successful in our work. We all have big dreams for our lives, and especially when it comes to our career, right? So what are we doing wrong over here is two things. One, when you are taking a decision, when you are choosing a profession, you have been told to be practical. No, go with your heart when choosing your profession. It should be something that makes you happy, where you want to keep doing it, where you are willing to put in your time, effort, and energy, your emotions, where you are passionate. Those are the things where you pull in success for yourself. When it comes to relationships, you have been told that you need to be compromising, adjust, and settle, and whatever. No, again, no. Here is where, before you give your cup of love to someone, first of all, fill it yourself for yourself. Work on yourself to become the person of your dreams. Become what you desire to be, so that your self worth, your self esteem, your happiness, your money, your stability is not dependent on another person. It comes from you. Your confidence, your self esteem, your happiness, your money, everything you should be able to provide for yourself. So anyone who comes becomes an addition. And before you start diving in with all emotions at the first sign of spark and attraction and start talking about family and commitment, what you need to do is observe. You have to be patient. You have to watch out. Do they deserve you? Are they worthy of you? Are you worthy of them? Do you deserve them? Are you both looking for the same things in life? Are you compatible? Are you both attracted to each other? Have similar dreams or goals? Do both of you want something like a long standing relationship, a fling, an affair? What is it? Are you both willing to put in equal amount of time, effort, energy, emotions? Are they willing to fight for you against all odds? Are they willing to go against society to be with you? That takes time and patience. You have to observe. You have to also observe red flags. Are they ghosting you? Are they taking too much time to respond to your text? For example, I'll make a separate video for that. The red flags have to be observed. And then, how does someone react after the first fight? The first fight is the most important part of starting to build a relationship or deciding whether you want a relationship with someone. If someone is not willing to apologize, is not willing to be the one to make the first move, to try and get the argument settled, not to win it or lose it, but to come to a better understanding. If someone is not affected by your moods, if you're low and they just want to disappear, take this away. They are only interested in you if you're in a good mood or in the mood they like you in. They don't deserve you. So if you want your dreams to come true, here were some tips. I hope you like it. Please leave your comment. What do you think about my little gemstones? Please like, share, subscribe.